Hi students, let us recollect that sum of two whole numbers is again a whole number. We will now learn some properties of additions and subtractions of integers. There are three properties of additions and subtractions of integers. So, first one is closure property of additions and subtractions, commutative property of additions and subtractions, associative property of additions and subtractions. Now, let us discuss about the closure property of additions. So, closure property of addition. For any two integers a and b, if we add a plus b, then the sum will be also an integer. What are integers? Any positive or negative numbers are called integers, already we know that. So, let us take two integers minus 3 and 7. So, I am going to take two integers minus 3 and 7. These two are integers. When we are adding this, minus 3 plus 7 is equal to, so one negative integer and positive integer here. So, we have to find the difference of two integers, 7 minus 3, 4. So, big number have plus, so that we can put plus for the 4. So, 4 plus 4 is also an integer. So, we can say integers are closed under addition. This property is called the closure property of additions in integers. Let us take for 3 and minus 7. So, 3 and minus 7. When we are adding the 3 plus of minus 7, that is equal to 3 plus into minus minus 7, that is equal to difference of 3 and 7 is 4. So, big number have minus symbol, that we have to put minus for the answer. Minus 4 is also an integer. This property is called closure property of additions in integers. So, now let us discuss about the closure property of subtraction. In the same way, for any two integers a and b, if we subtract a minus b, the difference will be an integer. So, for example, I am going to take two integers 7 and 9. Here 7 and 9. I am going to take these two numbers. So, we have to subtract this 7 minus 9. The difference between 7 and 9 will be 2, and big number has negative symbol, that is why we have to put minus for the answer. So, we got minus 2. Minus 2 is also an integer. So, we can say integers are closed under subtraction. This property is called the closure property of subtraction of integers. So, commutative property of additions. For any two integers a and b, we have to take two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. If we add any two integers in any order, we will get the same result. So, this is called commutative property. So, for example, let us take two integers 8 and minus 3. So, what is the property here? A plus b is equal to b plus a. So, a plus b is equal to b plus b. Here a is 8, b is minus 3. So, 8 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus of plus 8. So, here 8 plus into minus minus 3, here minus 3 plus 8. Here 8 minus 3 we can subtract, here like 8 minus 3 we will get 5, and here difference between 8 and 3 is 5. The big number have plus, so we can put plus, here plus 5 is equal to plus 5. So, what we did observe here, addition is commutative for integers. This property is called commutative property of integers. So, next one is commutative property of subtraction. Here let us see using an example 8 and minus 3. Again we are going to take 8 and minus 3. Here we are going to subtract here 8 minus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 8. Here 8 minus of minus 3, 8 plus 3 will become, and here minus 3 minus 8. So, 8 plus 3, 11, minus 3 minus 8, the two are negative integers, so that we can add these two integers. So, minus 3 minus 8 will become minus 11. Here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. What we observe here? A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now, let us discuss about associative property. For any three integers A, B, C, if you take three integers A, B, C, A plus B plus C, here I am writing here, A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So, for example, A equal to minus 3, B equal to 5, C equal to minus 8. So, now let us discuss about associative property. For any three integers A comma B comma C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For example, I am going to take three integers instead of A, B, C. Here A is equal to minus 3, B is equal to 5, C is equal to minus 8. Now, I am going to do this example. Minus 3, in A plus you have to substitute minus 3 plus of, here B plus C means 5 plus of minus 8 is equal to, here A, what is A? Minus 3 plus 5 plus of minus 8. So, now next step, we have to open the brackets. Minus 3 plus of, here 5 plus into minus minus 8 is equal to, here minus 3 and plus 5. Here one positive, one negative is there, means we have to find the difference between the positive and negative. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here which number is greater? 5. What is the symbol for 5? Plus. So, we have to put plus for the answer. Next, plus into minus, minus 8. Here also we have to remove the bracket. Minus 3, here plus of 5 minus 8. So, we have to find the difference of 5 and 8 is 3, and big number have minus symbol. So, we have to put minus for the answer, is equal to, here 2 minus 8, here minus 3 minus 3, here 2 minus 8, 6 minus 6. So, here minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Here this property is satisfied. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is satisfied here. LHS is equal to RHS. So, what did you observe here? Addition is associative for integers. The property is called associative property of additions in integers. So, subtraction is not associative for integers. For example, here A is equal to minus 3, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 8. Here associative means subtraction, associative under subtraction means A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. It must be satisfied, then we can say associative of subtraction is satisfied in integers. So, minus 3 minus of B 5 minus of minus 8 is equal to A minus 3 minus of B means 5 minus C means minus 8. So, minus of minus 8. So, here we are going to remove the brackets. Minus 3 minus 5 minus of minus means plus 8 is equal to, here minus 3 minus 5 minus of minus plus 8. Again we have to remove these brackets. So, minus 3 minus, here 5 plus 8 13 is equal to, here minus 3 and minus 5 means minus 8. It will become minus 8 plus 8. Here minus 13 and minus 3 and minus 13 here means we can add this minus 16 it will become. Here it will become plus 8 and minus 8 will cancel, 0 will be the answer. So, here these two are not equal. So, what we can say here, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. So, associative property under subtraction will not be satisfied in integers. So, next one.